Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you Moral Science of class UKG and the topic name is choose the correct option. So dear children, in this topic I'll give you the two options and you will have to choose the correct options. So one by one I would like to explain you all the questions. So the first is WEVSHOULD should, WAK wake, UP up, EARLY early, INNTHE the. Now this is the blank, the dash you will have to fill. We should wake up early in the. So now the option A is MORNING morning. Option B is EVENING evening. So now I would like to show you the picture. So you can choose the correct option with the help of this picture. So dear children, the question that here the sentence is this: we should wake up early in the, and then you will have to fill the correct word. So which is the correct word? We should wake up early in the morning or evening? Tell me. The correct is morning. We will take option A, morning. Dear children, we should wake up early in the morning. Then you can be fit and fine in your life and you will be healthy. Your mind will be sharp. So, and your body will feel fresh. So, dear children, we should wake up early in the morning. That is good for health. So we will choose option A, morning. Now the next is WHICH which, OF off, THE the, FOLLOWING following, IS is, MADE made, BY by, GOD God. Which of the following is made by God? Now I would like to give you the options. The option A is tree, TREE tree. Now option B is car, CAR car. Now I would like to show you the picture. This is the picture of tree and this is the picture of car. That what have you observed, my dear? The question is which of the following is made by God? So the two options you can see tree. Tree is a God made thing. This is a natural thing. The man cannot create this. And the second is that car. Car is an artificial thing that is made by man. So, which one is the correct option? The correct option is the A, tree. We will tick tree. So, which of the following is made by God? Tree. Now, the next is WEVSHOULD should, BEB dash TO2 EACH each, OTHER other. We should be dash to each other. Option A is kind, KIND kind. Now the option B is rude, RUDE rude. So dear children, we should be kind to each other or we should be rude to each other? Yes, we should be kind to each other. Either any animal is there, any person is there, we should always show our kindness. So you can see in this picture, dear children, in this picture you can see this girl, she is showing the kindness to this animal, but this boy is beating to this animal. So this boy is showing the rudeness, the cruel. So dear children, we should be kind to each other. We will tick KIND kind. Now the next is WHAT what, DO do, WEV use, TO2 CLEAN clean, OUR our, HAIR hair. What do we use to clean our hair? Now the question is what do we use to clean our hair? So the option A is oil, OIL oil. Option B is shampoo, SHAMPOO shampoo. So dear children, the question is here that what do we use to clean our hair? Every day we should take bath. Now we should clean our hair also. So see, this is the picture of oil and this is the picture of shampoo. So we should clean our hair with the help of shampoo. So which one is the correct option? The correct option is shampoo. We will take option B, shampoo. Now the next is WEVSHOULD, should, THROW, throw, GRABAGE, garbage, IN, in, dash. We should throw garbage in. Then option A is bin, BIN, bin. Option B is room, RWM, room. Now I would like to show you the picture, dear. See where this girl is throwing the garbage. We should throw garbage in bin, not in the room. We should not make our room dirty. Whatever the waste materials, the garbage is there, we should throw in bin. So the bin is correct answer. We will tick bin. Now the next is WEVSHOULD, should, COMB, OUR, our, HAIR, here. Now the dash, you will have to fill the correct option. C. What is this? This is WEEKLY, weekly. Option B is DAILY, daily. Now you can see in this picture what this girl is doing. This girl is combing hair. So dear children, we should comb our hair daily. If you will not comb your hair daily, then you will not look smart. Your hair, it will look like that not nice. So, and you will not look very smart also. So we should comb our hair daily, DAILY, daily. You will tick. Now next is WEVSHOULD, should, PRAY, pray, TO2, GOD, God, EVERY, DAY, every day. We should pray to God every day. Now the option A is TRUE, true, and the option B is FALSE, false. Now tell me, dear students, this statement is true or false? Now you can see in this picture what is doing. Children, what is doing in this picture? Yes, they all are praying to God. Dear children, prayer is one of the way talking to God. There is a great power in prayer. Prayer gives us comfort in pain, gives you the answer you want from God, and heal the broken spirit. Everyone pray to God in their own way. So, dear children, there are so many different ways to do prayer. Now, so tell me, prayer, this statement is true or false? We should pray to God every day. Yes, this is true. We will tick true. Now the next is WHICH, which, OF, of, THE, the, FOLLOWING, following, IS is, MAGIC, magic, WORD, word. Which of the following is a magic word? Now the option A is rude, RUDE, rude. Option B is thank you, THANKYOU, thank you. Now you can see in this picture, dear children, see this boy, how this boy is behaving with this lady, that is not behaving nicely. His behavior is very rude. But see in this picture, you can see there is this girl, what she is telling to this girl? She is telling thank you. You can see she has given to gift to this another girl and she is telling thank you. So dear children, thank you is a magic word. Whenever anybody gives you something, then you should say thank you. Some other magic words are also there, just like excuse me, please, welcome, So dear children, which of the following is a magic word? Rude. Thank you, which is the correct? Thank you is a magic word. We will take B. Now the next is WEVSHOULD, should, KEEP, keep, OUR, our, HOUSE, house, dash. We should keep our house. Now option A is CLEAN, clean. Option B is DIRTY, dirty. So tell me dear children, we should keep our house clean or dirty? You can see in this picture, wow, this house is very clean. But you can see this is dirty. So tell me, we should keep our house clean. We should not keep our house dirty. So which one is the correct option? Clean is the correct option. We will take clean. Now the next is dash is made, MAISE, MADE, made, BY, by, MAN, man. Dash is made by man. You can see the option A is MOON, moon. Option B is HOUSE, house. Now you can see this is the picture of moon and this is the picture of house. Now tell me dear children, which is made by man? The moon is a natural thing. It is made by God. Some other examples also like tree, sun, stars, river, sky. This all the who has made? The God has made. These all are the natural things that you, me, who has made dear? The God has made. But the man-made things are the artificial things. Just like, for example, you can see in my hand, what is this? This is a pen. This is made by man. Yes. So like this, the many things are there in this, the whole world. Many things are made by the man also. Like you can say the house, book, table, chair, pencil, that etc. Many things that is made by the man. So dear children, which is the correct option? House. House is the correct option. You will take house. House is made by man. So dear children, you will complete at your home. Choose the correct option. Thank you.